This next video focuses on a vehicle travelling from Glenville Avenue to Westview Avenue. This route has several tricky meeting traffic situations, and to start with, a very tight left-hand turn into Glenville Avenue. At the brow of the hill is Glenville Avenue. It's a very tight left turn. Keep your distance from the curb and reduce your speed right the way down to a walking pace. Don't be afraid to be slow. It's a very quick but late turn into the road and a quick straighten up. Immediately observe ahead for meeting traffic situations. As you turn into Westview Avenue, there is potential for meeting traffic situations immediately. Look into the road before you turn. Assess the road ahead. Plan to stop if necessary. As you travel along Westview Avenue, look for approaching traffic and areas where you could pull in to allow them to pass. Remember, the obstruction is on your side. It's your responsibility to move over. Maintain a door's width between you and all parked vehicles. And if you do have to stop, leave plenty of clearance between you and the car in front to make it easier for you to emerge.